Hi guys, so I'm gonna be working in this 2014 Sonata. The issue that we're having is the headlights, the switch. So basically what is happening, all the time that you press the switch, it's like it got like a short. I don't know if you guys can see it like that. And then the lights. So basically the issue is this. Some of the tools that you're gonna be using is a flathead, Phillips, impact tool, Allen key. Basically you're gonna be missing a nut over here. To take this off, you have to disconnect the battery. That's the safest way to do it. I don't do it like that. I just leave it like that and disconnect it. So basically you're gonna put the Allen key through this hole in an angle, and look, that's what's gonna happen. On this side, I'm gonna put it right here, and then in the bottom. It's out. After that, you're gonna remove it. You're gonna disconnect these cables, that one, and take it from the plug. So now you need to remove this plastic, which is 3 screws. But before you remove it, you have to take this nut out. When you take this nut out, you have to keep the steering wheel straight the most that you can. The socket size is 21 millimeters for this nut. Take this steering wheel out, you have to hit it a couple times so it can get loose. There you go. So after you remove the steering wheel, you're gonna have to take these screws out, which is this one, that one, and the bottom one, which is right there. Now with the flathead, you open over here this lock, pull the steering wheel out, and it could be easier for you to remove it. Now you're gonna remove this, which is a plastic part. You pull it over here in the bottom, but you have over here a couple plugs. This one you just pull it back, and this one is like a clip thing. Pull it over here and it's out. So now to remove this part, I don't know if you guys can see, it's basically the wires over here. You're gonna grab your Phillips. You're gonna have 2 screws over here, which is one inside of this hole and the other one right here. You unplug the plug from the back and from this side too. And this part, just wiggle it like this and it's out. Now to disconnect this part, you're gonna use a flathead and you're just gonna stick it in this hole and it will come out. So now this one is the old one, this one is the new one that I'm gonna install. Putting it back in, gets clip on. And now we go back, start putting everything back. Screws in. Get everything plugged in. This part gets aligned with this. Put your plugs in. Put the plastics back in. Make sure that everything gets plugged in. And now start putting your screws back in. Now it's gonna be coming the steering wheel. For the steering wheel, you pass these cables through here, trying to get it the most aligned that you can. If you want to mark it, you can mark it before you take it out. Plug this back in. Put the nut back in. Screw it in. Get the airbag. Put the cable through here. Get this negative plug. These parts, they got color match. Just put it with the same color. Push this orange part and put back in the airbag. Just make sure you do all three corners. And you can see it's working. Thank you for watching.